Yo, man, I need to make money like today. You know what I mean? Like these bills are piling up. I'm doing all I can. I just can't find ways to make money. Man, I hear you, man. I was the same way. And I found these apps that are really like super easy, and I found these side hustle and these ways that, I can make money every single day. Yeah, man, but like, who's got the time to do all that? Like, I'm busy doing stuff. Like, I don't have time to be like downloading apps. Well, the good thing about some of the apps that I found and some of the things that I do is that they're pretty simple, they're pretty easy. Some you can start as soon as today. Some may take a little bit of time. The situation that you may have gotten yourself into with like, not financing and over leveraging and stuff like that, it may take you a little while to do it. And sometimes you just gotta be a little bit patient. What? What were you saying? What? No, I'm listening. Go ahead. No, I was saying that your success might not happen overnight. It may take some time to get the ball rolling and get things. Listen, I'll send you the apps. I'll do my part, but it's up to you whether you take the information that I give you and apply the information. Good luck, bro.